What's up, y'all? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I'm coming to you today from a weird one. Weird. If you're car savvy, you can already tell what the hell this is by just looking at the dash and cup holder and just this whole arrangement right here. I have always, don't hate me, but I have always thought these cars were kind of cool. I know most 90% of the people think they're ugly. And, how can 90% be wrong? Maybe, of course they're ugly. But I think they're cool. And that is the Nissan Cube. I do. I think they're kind of cool. I mean, this thing handles great. This is a shit, I don't even know what year it is. It's trade-in at the Honda dealership. But it's got 170,000 miles. It's just been serviced. I think it's about a 2011 or 12. Let's see, I'm not real sure. But ain't got a lot of power. But the CVT works, y'all. I mean, not a single shimmy, shudder, hesitation, vibration, nothing. The CVT works. I can't believe it. I mean, most of these are sitting on Facebook Marketplace for sale, needing a CVT, needing a transmission. Who knows? This one could blow up any moment. But I'd like to think maybe with 170,000 miles, maybe it's already been replaced. This little car's in good shape for its age, and for 170. Whoever owned it was not, I don't think was like an immature, kid or something like that. It really is pretty clean and not beat up. It's sort of a base model. It's got hubcaps, but it's got almost new uniroll tires. It's got cold air conditioning. Power windows, power locks, got Bluetooth cruise. Hell, it's got it all. Plus, it's a big old box, man. This thing is weird. Weird, but I love it. I really do. I kind of love it. Oh, I'm so sidetracked. I don't even know where the hell it came from. I think it came from right here, actually. I'll park it, then I'll figure out. No, I think it came from... Where the hell did this thing? Yeah, it came from right here, next to this little Nissan Versa. But what a cool car, I think. You may disagree with me, but I think this is a pretty slick little ride. Oh, I'm locked in forever. Uh-oh. Are the windows not working? Oh, you're kidding me. Okay, so... Oh, man. Driver's side window doesn't work. It's got the cool, I don't know if you can tell, headliner where it looks like, a drop of water hit right here and it's just waves going out. I always thought that was kind of funny. Oh, and it's purple. So it's a terrible color. Yeah. But it's got good tires. What year is this thing? It's a 12. Good tires. Got Kumos on the front. Got tiger paws on the back. It's not beat up. Not beat up at all. I mean, not bad, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Horribly ugly? I mean, is it that bad? Oh, boy. Yes, sir, the 12 Nissan Cube. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.